In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the common Instagram login error that says, "Sorry, there was a problem with your request." This error often occurs when there is an issue with the information you are entering or with Instagram server, but there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, scroll down again and tap VPN and Device Management. What you want to do next is, if you are connected to a VPN, you need to disconnect it. You also need to make sure you have a strong and stable connection before attempting to log into Instagram. If your connection is weak or unstable, it may cause issues with the login process. If your internet connection is fine, the next step is to clear the Instagram app cache. To do that, go back and tap iPhone storage. Then scroll down the list of apps and find the Instagram app. Tap on it, then tap Offload app, and then tap Reinstall app. Sometimes, old data stored in the cache can cause login errors on Instagram. By clearing the cache, you can remove any outdated information that may be causing the problem. After clearing the cache, try logging into Instagram again to see if the error has been fixed. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.